India is the land of records and extremes. Superlatives of India highlight the largest, longest, highest, and most important features of the country. Largest state in India, Rajasthan. Smallest state in India, Goa. Largest district in India, Kutch, Gujarat. Smallest district in India, Mahe, Puducherry. Largest plateau in India, Deccan Plateau. Largest desert in India, Thar Desert. Highest mountain peak in India, Kanchenjunga. Longest river in India, Ganga. Largest lake in India, Vembanad Lake. Largest freshwater lake in India, Ular Lake. Largest man-made lake in India, Gobind Ballabh Pant Sagar Lake. Highest dam in India, Tehri Dam in Uttarakhand. Longest dam in India, Hirakud Dam in Odisha. Largest delta in India, Sundarbans Delta. Longest coastline state in India, Gujarat. Wettest place in India, Mausinram in Meghalaya. Driest place in India, Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. Highest statue in India, Statue of Unity. Largest temple in India, Sri Ranganath Swami Temple, Tamil Nadu. Largest Gurudwara in India, Gurudwara Harmandir Sahib, Golden Temple, Amritsar, Punjab. These were the top superlatives of India. Remember these superlatives to boost your general knowledge and exam preparation. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe GK for you for more GK content. Thank you for watching.